Good morning, dear friends. Today's video, I will explain one illustrations by Newton's formula. So, when the series is continuous, that means we are given continuous series. So, statement is from the following table, find the number of students who obtained less than 45 marks. This is the questions, and marks is given 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, and number of students are 31, 42, 51, 35, 31. So, solution will be marks, because it is already mentioned in the statement less than 45 marks. So, I will convert all the continuous series in the less than form. Firstly, I will write here less than 40, then less than 50, less than 60, less than 70, less than 80. I have written less than 40. First continuous series is converted in the less than form. Less than 40, less than 50, less than 60, less than 70, less than 80. I have denoted it as a x0, x1, x2, x3, x4. The number of students are given 31. This is taken as a y0. 73 is taken as y1, 124 y2, and so on. So I will find out the finite differences. This is the first finite differences. How I have to calculate delta 0 raised to power 1. That is y1 minus y0. 73 minus 31, 42. Then delta 1 raised to power 1 is y2 minus y1. Means 124 minus 73. I have written 51 in between y1 and y2. Next is delta 2 raised to power 1. That is 159 minus 124. That is 35. And delta 3 raised to power 1. That is 190 minus 159. That is 31. This is the first differences. Then second differences is like delta 1 raised to power 1 minus delta 0 raised to power 1. That means 51 minus 42. That is 9. Delta 0 raised to power 2. Now delta 1 raised to power 2. That is delta 2 raised to power 1 minus delta 1 raised to power 1. It is 35 minus 51. That is minus 16. Then delta 2 raised to power 2. It is the delta 3 raised to power 1 minus delta 2 raised to power 1. 31 minus 35. That is minus 4. Then third difference is that is I have written delta 0 raised to power 3. It is delta 1 raised to power 2 minus delta 0 raised to power 2. That is minus 16 minus 9. This will be minus 25. Now delta 1 raised to power 3. It will be minus 4 plus 16. That will be 12. Then fourth difference is it is delta 0 raised to power 4. It is 12 plus 25. That is 37. This is the four differences I have calculated. The question is less than 45 marks. So whenever we write the formula, yx is equal to y0 plus x delta 0 raised to power 1 plus x minus 1 2 factorial delta 0 raised to power 2 plus x minus 1 x minus 2 over 3 factorial delta 0 raised to power 3 and x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 3 4 factorial delta 0 raised to power 4. This is the formula. That means in this question, firstly, we have to calculate the value of x. So how we will calculate the x? It is given in the statement less than 45 marks. So I have put here 45 minus 40. Starting value is because less than means 45 minus 40. And whenever we are talking about 40, it also included this interval. 50 minus 40. So we will write 45 minus 40 over 50 minus 40 is equal to 5 over 10. So cutting 1 over 2. That means 0.5 we can say. So I will write here yx. X means 45, less than 45 marks. Y0 is already calculated in the table, that is 31. Then delta 0 raised to power 1 is 42. Delta 0 raised to power 2 is 9. And delta 0 raised to power 3 is minus 25. And delta 0 raised to power 4 is 37. All these values we have calculated, we will put in this equation. Y0 is 31. And x is, I have already calculated, x is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into delta 0 raised to power 1, it is 42. The previous, I have formulated the table. Then is 1 by 2 minus 1 over 2 factorial, delta 0 raised to power 2. If we are saying delta 0 raised to power 2 is 9, then I can put this value in this formula. This is 9 over 2 factorial. 2 factorial is 1 into 2. So this, all these values, whatever I have calculated, I have substitute all this value in this equation. So after simplifications, whenever we simplify all these equations, then I am getting y45 is equal to 48. So this is the questions. That means whenever we are given the table and we want to find out the less than 45 marks, less than, it may be less than 50, maybe less than 60. So how we have to, because the procedure is same as in the previous videos, but only difference is here I have taken x is equal to 45 minus 40. Less than 45 means 40 also included, and this is also included, that means 50 minus 40. So this is only different, otherwise the same question. So this is the illustration of finding the missing values, or we can say find this marks by the Newton's method. Thanks so much, dear friend. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share with other also.